Hello. Hello. Am I audible to you, Rohan? Yes or no? बोलो. प्रज्ञा, मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको? Okay, good. So we'll start the lecture today. I think this is the last lecture of your topic 1. Correct. Very good. चलो, सब लोगों का रिप्लाई आ रहा है. अभी मुझे मृन्मयी, अक्षदा, प्रिया, रोहन, they all are saying yes sir. ठीक है. So this is the last lecture. Only one topic is left, that is factors affecting on stability of the complex, that is obviously coordination compounds. In this chapter we will see the different factors which affect the stability of the complexes. For example, central metal atom is there, then ligand is there, and the one concept is there, that is chelation or chelating ligand is there. So mostly two factors or two terms are mainly involved for the stability of the one is metal and another one is ligand. These two terms are responsible for the stability of the complex. First one is metal and another one is ligand. Ligand maybe again it depends upon the basicity or charge on the ligand, on which type of ligand is present, monodentate ligand, bidentate ligand, or polydentate ligand if it is there. So these are the some factors are there. Okay, so that we will see in the today's lecture. Very simple or easy topic is there. So can I start lecture now? I think most of people have come, so I will start the lecture now. Yes or no? This is lecture number 7. We will finish in today's lecture. We will finish this chapter number 1, introduction to coordination compounds. बहुत से अच्छी तरह से आपको इंट्रोड्यूस, आप सब लोग इंट्रोड्यूस हो गए कोऑर्डिनेशन केमिस्ट्री में. ठीक है ना? तो चलो. ओके, चलो चलो चलो, सब लोग आ रहे हैं अभी. सो हाँ, सो नेक्स्ट point or last point is factors affecting the stability of the complex ions or coordination compounds, and I have already told you these two factors are there. Nature of the central metal ion. First factor is what? Nature of the central metal ion, and these two factors, they are both, these two are related to the ligand. Both these two factors, they are related to the ligand. ठीक है, which kind of ligand is there or whatever it is. So first factor is nature of the central metal ion, second is nature of the ligand, and third one is chelation. Third one is chelation. This chelation term is also related to the ligand also. It is also related to ligand. ठीक है. So these factors are there. Three factors: nature of the central metal ion, nature of the ligand, and chelation factor. So we will see in detail one by one. So first we will start with the nature of central metal ion. Nature of central metal ion. For example, if you see here, the capacity of a metal ion to accept electrons and also attract a negatively charged ligand depends upon the charge to radius ratio of the central metal ion. For example, the capacity of metal ion to act as a Lewis acid or to accept the electrons and also attract the negatively charged ligands depends upon the charge to radius ratio of the central metal ion. किस पे डिपेंड करता है वो? It depends upon the charge to radius ratio of the central metal ion, and then is second one is electronegativity of central metal ion. Then it is related to the electronegativity of central metal ion. So first we will start with the charge to radius ratio. So this formation of coordination compound is nothing but the formation of Lewis base adduct. It is nothing but the formation of Lewis base adduct. In this, metal is acting as a Lewis acid because metal accept the electrons. That's why it is That's what is acting as a Lewis acid, and base is acting as a Lewis base. Why? Because ligands, they donates a pair of electrons. So this acceptance and donation of electron pairs depends upon the charge to radius ratio of the central metal ion. It depends upon the charge to radius ratio of the central metal ion. For example, the metal atom or central metal atom has more positive charge. If that central metal atom has more positive charge, that means it is a more electron deficient, so it can attract negatively charged ligands very tightly. It can accept the, or it can attract the negatively charged ligands very tightly, because positive and negative attraction will be there. Okay, so this charge density or charge to radius ratio or the formation of ligand to metal complexes depends upon the charge on the central metal ion. If charge is positive charge, then the complex form will be more stable, and if the charge on the complex charge on the CMA is negative, that means the electron rich nature is there, for example in some cases, then the ligand also negatively charged, metal is negatively charged, so negative repulsion will be there, and metal cannot attract the negatively charged ligand, so and the complex form will not be more stable one. Okay, so this is the first type. Then this, see this one, greater the positive oxidation state of CMA, charge positive means higher the oxidation state. Okay, greater the positive oxidation state of CMA, that is central metal atom, more will be its attraction for the negatively charged ligand, and hence higher will be the stability of the complex. For example, one metal shows higher positive oxidation state. For example, one metal shows higher positive oxidation state, and that higher positive oxidation state or positive charge on that metal will attract the negatively charged ligands, and the stability of the complex is higher. For example, if you see, we will see this complexes, four complexes is there. First is vanadium complex, vanadium EDTA 2 plus complex is there. Second, vanadium EDTA 3 plus is there, and Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus. So first column, in the first column the complexes are given, and in second column stability constant, that is K, that is we have seen in the last lecture. Stability constant K is given in the second column. Now look at this first example, vanadium EDTA 2 plus, and its stability constant is 12.7. it is 12.7. And look at this second complex, vanadium EDTA. Here central metal ion is vanadium, here also it is vanadium. Ligand is EDTA, that is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Here is also same ligand is there, but the positive oxidation state or charge on the central metal ion is different. Here it is 2 plus and here it is 3 plus, and see the stability constant K, here 12.7 and here 25.9. that means higher the positive oxidation state, higher will be the stability of the complex. Higher the, here mainly higher the positive oxidation state, higher will be the stability of the complex. That means for some metal they shows more than 2 oxidation state or more than 3 oxidation state. Then in that case we can explain the stability of the complexes based on the positive charge on that central metal ion, based on the positive charge on the central metal ion. Look at this second example, Fe2 plus is there and Fe3 plus is there. 3 plus is higher oxidation state, 3 plus, iron in 3 plus is more electron deficient, so its stability constant or formation constant is higher than the Fe2 plus complexes. Chetan is saying Fe2 plus is more stable or Fe3 plus is higher. See the stability constant. If the stability constant, value of stability constant is higher, then that complex will be more stable. Stability constant indicates the stability of that complexes. Higher the stability constant or higher the value of K, more will be the stable, that more will be that particular complex is more stable. Okay. J is saying Fe3 plus is more stable. Ankush is, Vibham is also saying the Fe3 plus is. Why? Because the positive oxidation state. Higher the positive oxidation state, that means that metal is more electron deficient and it can accept the electrons from the ligand and forms a stronger complex or forms a strong bond between metal and ligand. And strong bond means what? The energy required to break that bond will be higher and stability of that complex is obviously becomes high. Okay, so this is the first point. Then second point is electronegativity of CMA, electronegativity of central metal ion. Here also directly proportional, this electronegativity is directly proportional to the stability of the complex. Higher the electronegativity, higher is the stability of the complex. Higher the electronegativity of central metal ion, higher will be the stability of the complex. Higher electronegativity means it can accept the electrons, very strongly or very tightly. That's why the complex will get higher stability. Okay, this electronegativity is directly proportional to the stability of the complex. Then second point is nature of the ligand. Second point is this one, nature of the ligand. And in this two terms are there, basic character and size and charge. Basic, as the basic character of ligand increases, as the basic character of the ligand increases means, basic character of the ligand increases means it has higher tendency to donate the electrons. That is called as a basicity of that ligand. If that ligand donates the electrons more easily, that ligand is more basic, that ligand will be more basic. As the basic character of ligand increases, its ability to donate electron, and hence complex form becomes more stable. As the basic character of the ligand increases, its ability to donate electron also increases, and the complex form will becomes more stable. This is the first point. Second point is what? Second point is size and charge. Smaller the size, higher will be the stability. If the size of the ligand is smaller, that means it can attract the positively charged central metal ion more tightly, and the complex will be the more stable. Okay, good. Then the next term is chelation. Which is important term also. We have seen in ligand, while discussing the ligand, we have seen what is chelation process. If the polydentate ligand means the ligand which has more than two donor atom, or the ligand which can forms more than two coordinate bond with same metal atom, that ligand is called as a polydentate ligand. And this polydentate ligand, for example, En is there, that is ethylene diamine, which is a bidentate ligand, and it forms a chelate with the metal atom. And then diene is there, diethylene triamine is there, triene is there, triethylene tetramine is there, EDTA is there, DMG is there. These all are example of chelation. These all the ligands which is polydentate ligands, they are all example of a chelation process. Now what happens during chelation? This polydentate ligand, I have told you, polydentate ligand means which has more than two donor sites or more than two donor atom, and that can donate to the same metal atom. This polydentate ligand, it is also called as a chelating ligands, forms a more stable complexes than the monodentate ligand. Polydentate ligand forms a more stable complexes than monodentate ligand. Then second point is what? The chelate complexes containing 5 and 6 member ring are more stable. The chelate complexes containing 5 and 6 member ring are more stable than the 3 and 4 member ring. Whatever the chelate complex will form after the chelation process, and if that complex contains 5 and 6 member ring, heterocyclic ring may be there. If that has 5 and 6 member ring, then these 5 and 6 member rings are more stable than 3 and 4 member ring, because in this case their strain is there. Because of 3 and 4 member ring, strain is there, and due to the strain, this 4 and 3 member ring, they are less stable, and here less strain is there. In case of 5 and 6 member, less strain is there, that's why they are more stable. Okay. Then for example, if you see this complex Ni thrice 2 plus is more stable than Ni NH3 6 2 plus ion. This complex is more stable than this complex. The reason because of what? Here ligand, if you see ligand here ligand is En. Here ligand is En. If you see here En, and En means ethylene diamine. En means what? Ethylene diamine, which is a bidentate ligand, which is bidentate ligand. Here if you see ammonia ligand is there, and which is monodentate ligand, which is monodentate ligand. So this complex is more stable than this complex, and this is because of what? This is because of this chelation process. This is because of chelation process. This complex forms a chelate compound. This complex is called as a chelate compound, and this is normal coordination compound. This is normal coordination compound, or normal complex cation is there. Normal complex cation is there. So what is the reason behind this? Reason behind this is what? See the reason. Reason behind this, ethylene diamine is a bidentate ligand. Ethylene diamine is a bidentate ligand and forms a 5-membered ring. If you see here, ethylene diamine. This is the structure of ethylene diamine. It forms a 5-membered ring. 5-membered means how many? 2 carbons are there? 1, 2 carbons, 2 nitrogens are there, 3, 4, 2 carbons, 2 nitrogen, and this 5th is metal atom. So this ring is called as a 5-member ring. It is also called as a heterocyclic ring because all the atoms are different. 2 carbons are there, 2 nitrogen is there, and 1 metal is there. For example, if this metal is Fe3+, then all the atoms are different. That's why it is called as a heterocyclic ring. So reason behind this was what? The reason is ethylene diamine is a bidentate ligand and forms a 5-member ring. And you know that 5-member rings are more stable. 5-member rings are more stable. And where in case of this second complex, ammonia is a monodentate ligand. In the second complex, ammonia is a monodentate ligand and it does not form a ring. Due to the formation of ring, this complex gets extra stability. Due to the ring formation, this complex gets extra stability, and that's why this complex is more stable than this normal coordination cation. This complex is more stable than normal coordination cation. Why? Because the chelation process. Why this happens? Because of the chelation process. And this ethylene diamine is a bidentate ligand, and it forms a chelate with the metal atom. So this is the third factors that affect the stability of the complex ion. And the last point, we will see the difference between metal complex. Metal complex and metal chelate. Metal complex means it is normal coordination compounds, and metal chelate which forms by a polydentate ligand. It is a chelate complex and it is a normal metal complex or coordination compound. So we will see the difference. So let's see the first difference. Monodentate ligand forms a metal complex. This metal complex is formed by a monodentate ligand. Such ligands are called as a complexing ligand. Why complexing ligand? Because it forms a normal coordination complex. So these metal complexes are formed by monodentate ligand, and such monodentate ligands are called as a complexing ligand. So while in case of metal chelate, polydentate ligand forms a metal chelate. In case of metal chelate, polydentate ligand forms. Here monodentate ligand forms. Here polydentate ligand forms a metal chelate. Such ligands are called as a chelating ligand. Here such ligands are called as a complexing ligand. This is the first difference. Metal complex, in the metal complex you will write monodentate ligand forms a metal complex, and such ligands are called as a complexing ligand. In metal chelates you will write polydentate ligand forms a metal chelate. Such ligands are called as a chelating ligand. This is the first difference. Then second difference is heterocyclic ring is not formed. In case of metal complexes, heterocyclic ring is not formed. hence these are non-cyclic compounds. In case of metal complex, heterocyclic ring is not formed, hence these are non-cyclic compound. Why heterocyclic ring is not formed? Because ligands are monodentate ligands, and monodentate ligands cannot form a ring, and monodentate ligand cannot form a ring, while in case of heterocyclic ring is formed. In the metal chelate, heterocyclic ring, hence these are cyclic compounds. Heterocyclic ring and heterocyclic ring is formed, hence these are cyclic compounds. Why? Because polydentate ligands are there, and polydentate ligands can form a ring. Okay. Then third difference, these are moderately stable. If you talk about the stability, then these metal complexes, they are not that much stable. These are moderately stable. While in case of metal chelate, these are highly stable. Because of what? Because of formation of maybe 5 or 6 member ring, and 5 and 6 member rings are stable ring, and due to this formation of ring, this metal chelate gets extra stability. And fourth difference will be the example. For example, CuNH3 2 plus, this is a normal coordination compound, CuNH3 2 plus. And in case of metal chelate, example is CuEn twice 2 plus. Here En is ethylene diamine, which is a polydentate or bidentate ligand, Okay. So this is the end of your chapter number 1. That is introduction to the coordination compounds. So after this chapter, now I will active the link for your first test. By mistake PM AM का कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, क्योंकि दैट पोस्ट मैंने वो मोबाइल से किया था, और मोबाइल पे वो ऑप्शन नहीं थे PM और AM करके, तो गलती से वो PM की जगह AM हो गया था. तो कुछ बच्चों ने शायद टेस्ट भी दिए, 2-3 बच्चे शायद उन लोगों ने टेस्ट दिए. यस और नो? कौन से बच्चे यस बोलो? जिन लोगों ने टेस्ट दी ना सुबह, वो प्लीज से यस इन द चैट बॉक्स. कौन से बच्चे हो? यस, चेतन ने दी थी, संजीवन ने दी थी, क्या नाम है, संजीवनिक, दीपाली ने दी थी. तो आप लोगों की, और कोमल ने दी थी. तो आप लोगों को दोबारा टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to attempt the test second time also. ठीक है. आपके responses, Trimfni is also saying yes sir, I have given the test. Okay, so you don't have to give the test one more times. ठीक है. आपके responses, आपके answers मेरे पास आ गए. Supriya is also saying yes sir. आपके answers मेरे पास है, आपका scores भी मेरे पास है. So don't worry about that. Don't give the test again. So नहीं तो क्या हो जाएगा, आपका नाम दोबारा आ जाएगा फिर उस लिस्ट में. ठीक है ना. Now what is the time right now? क्या टाइमिंग है बोलो जल्दी से. हाँ, चेतन I didn't. ठीक है, डोंट वरी चेतन. जिन लोगों ने टेस्ट दिए उन लोगों ने अभी टेस्ट नहीं दी तो भी चलेगी, जिन लोगों ने नहीं दिए वो लोग दे सकते हो. सो ओके, चलो. सो we'll go to the test now. चलो. So time for the test will be, I will start the test at exactly 4. ठीक है ना. 4 to 4:30. 4 to 4:30. Four to 4:30 I will give time. Okay. टेस्ट फॉर चैप्टर 1। ओके, किन लोगों के, जिन लोगों के रिस्पांस आ गए ना उनके नाम मैं पढ़ लेता हूँ। ट्रिम्फनी ने दिया है, प्रीतम ने दिया है, प्रीतम कदम ने तो बहुत बार दिया है, डोंट गिव सो मच टाइम। दीपाली और कोमल आप लोगों ने दिया है, ठीक है। सो नाउ I will active that test for you people. Responses. हाँ, नाउ मैंने वो लिंक एक्टिव कर दी है। आप लोग जाके गूगल ड्राइव पे अपनी टेस्ट दे सकते हो और मुझे बोल दो if you are able to give the test, just say me yes sir. Lecture is over मानसी, लेक्चर हो गया है। Pranit is saying internal exam है, it is a part of internal examination. It is a part of internal examination. Yes, you are able to give. Okay, okay, चलो, no problem. चलो, after that I will give you the attendance. I will give the attendance also. चलो, मुझे प्राची का रिप्लाई आ गया है। प्राची ने अभी अभी टेस्ट खत्म कर दी है। यस और नो प्राची? प्राची का अभी रिप्लाई मुझे आ गया है। प्राची हैज गॉट 10 on 10. प्राची, देन जाधव प्रियंका, कृष्ण प्रिया यादव। जाधव को कितने मिले? 9 मार्क्स मिले। कृष्ण प्रिया को भी 9 मिले। क्या गलत है कृष्ण प्रिया और प्राची तुम लोगों का? कृष्ण प्रिया का थर्ड आंसर गलत है। प्राची सर, व्हाट इज द असाइनमेंट आफ्टर टेस्ट? नो असाइनमेंट इज देयर। कृष्ण प्रिया ने काइनेटिक स्टेबिलिटी इज कंसर्न्स विथ गलत लिख दिया है, और जाधव प्रियंका ने डबल सॉल्ट व्हेन डिसॉल्व इन वाटर देन आंसर दिया ग्रुप ऑफ आयंस। जाधव प्रियंका, group of ions will not get after the dissolution of double salt in water. Trimpney has got 10 on 10. Trimpney को 10 मिले, then प्राची को 10 on 10 मिले। गुड, वेरी गुड। देन अभी किसने दिया? कृष्ण प्रिया ने दिया है। ठीक है, गुड। अभी दिया है सोनू ने रोहन। सोनू ने रोहन को भी 10 मार्क्स मिले। विनय को 6, साहिल को 10, साहिल को 8 मिले। सॉरी, साहिल को 8 मिले हैं। Kinetic stability, kinetic stability. Krishna Priya is saying kinetic stability. Kinetic stability is concern. क्या था क्वेश्चन? हो पवार संध्या 8 मार्क्स भेटले तुला। दीक्षा भालचक्र, सुप्रीत 9 मार्क्स, सुप्रीत मोरे, स्टुडंटचे रिप्लाय आलेले आहेत मला. ठीक आहे. सो यू पीपल गिव्ह द टेस्ट, यू पीपल गिव्ह द अटेंडन्स ऑल्सो. ठीक आहे. सो विल स्टॉप हियर. I will deactivate the link at exactly 4:30. Armaya is saying, sir, assignment. No assignment. Armaya is saying assignment. No assignment. ठीक है. So can I stop here? चलो, I will stop here. Okay.